Hi everyone, it's good to have you here. Hello to all my subscribers and new subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Now I'm going to make some beaded bracelets today, and I've got some pink, green and turquoise beads. These are made of acrylic. Now I'm going to use my bracelet board. The average bracelet is 7 inches. So we're going to use an 18 centimetre one today. I've got some 0.6 elastic, and I'm going to measure 12 inches. Now I know that this board across on the inside is 12 inches. So just use a ruler if you don't have one of these boards. I'm just going to snip. Now first of all, I'm just going to make a pattern. Okay, that's the design for this one. We've got more left over, but that's what I'm going to do. Give the elastic a stretch. Put your bead clip or stationery clip on the end. And just start threading. How are you all? I do hope you're well. And if you're not well, I hope you feel better soon. I'm actually in a really good mood. I reached 50,000 views on YouTube, which to me, I know to some it won't be a lot, but to me, I'm absolutely over the moon. I thought I would be talking to myself and everyone would find me boring. So if you have viewed me in any way, thank you so much. And again, if you've not subscribed, subscribe. I have lots of tutorials for the complete beginner and those just a little bit further on. I don't make any tutorials that are very difficult. So yeah, I'm really pleased. Never thought I would make a YouTube channel, but it is something I wish I had done a long time ago, looking back now. I think it would have helped my small business as well. That reminds me, I do have a website where I sell handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, which I'll link below for you. And I've gone through and I've actually created a collection, all £1. If you're from the US, I think that's $1.25, something like that. And some of it is actually new stock as well, so it's not just me trying to get rid of old stock, but I think it's stock that people will find useful if you're just starting out or want to have a go at making jewellery. Okay, so that's this one. So it's just like we're doing a shoelace again, but we go around twice because we're going to create a surgeon's knot. And then rather than do this, we are going to actually go the other way around. Can you see? And as always, one for luck. And then we just snip the end off. And there's that one. What I'm going to do is just pull the end through, and it hides inside the bead, the actual knot. So that's that one. I'll just create another one. Let's get some pink beads. If you've got this far and haven't hit the subscribe button, please subscribe now. Have a look back through the tutorials that I've done so far and the playlist for complete beginners, where I talk about all about jump rings, creating loops, how to tie a bracelet. In fact, I've got another new way I'll have to show you. I need to double check I've got it right before I even attempt to do it on here. They were actually using quite thick beading thread, so I'm not sure if it will work with elastic. But I keep forgetting to do a short video. I might try it, it doesn't work, but it did work with beading thread on the tutorial that I saw. There we go, so there's that one. So just like before, we're going to go around twice. Then the other way. and then one for luck. I must have cut that a little bit shorter this time. I always find I need a longer thread, so we'll just snip that one off, and then we'll hide the knot inside the bracelet. There we go. That's that one. Right, let's do 12 inches again. Give it a stretch. I do like my little cat dish. I think it's so cute. I don't know if you can hear, but I've got another squirrel behind me outside. It's probably the one I've just given nuts to before I started making this. Greedy. I put lots of nuts out. I was very lucky. I went somewhere and they were reducing bags of nuts down to £1, so I did end up buying rather a lot. But the walnuts are too big for them, so I break them up with a hammer. They get like half, and it's I love watching them break them apart and eat the walnuts. I think it's just because they're not used to having walnuts here. There's no walnut trees, not where I am. Okay, so again, go around twice. Then we go back on ourselves, and then one for luck. Just going to put the knots inside the bead. There we go, and there's that one. That's 3 bracelets. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.